It's easy to make a high-quality kitchen knife like this using Rockler's new kitchen knife hardware kits. The kit includes a blade and 2 stainless steel pins. All you have to do is choose a handle material and assemble the knife. The process for assembling this knife or any of our kitchen utensil kits is basically the same, so you can use this video as a guide to help you assemble all of the kits. Rockler offers 4 kitchen knife hardware kits to cover most kitchen tasks. The paring knife is perfect for an array of precise kitchen tasks, from peeling to slicing fruits and vegetables. The fillet knife features a long, flexible blade that makes it perfect for precise cuts needed to remove scales and fillet a fish. The Santoku knife is great for thin slicing and mincing of vegetables and herbs. And finally, the classic chef's knife, a primary general utility knife used by most chefs. All 4 designs feature a bolster and a handle tang made of 304 stainless steel. And the cutting edge is AUS-10 steel with HRC 57 to 59 hardness rating, providing a sharp, durable edge. Let's make a chef's knife. Start by covering the blade with tape. I don't want to risk getting cut or scratching the finish of the knife. Scales are available in a variety of materials, or you can make your own. For my knife, I chose figured walnut. Apply painter's tape to one side of each scale. Then use CA glue to temporarily attach them together. This is a helpful trick to end up with uniform parts. Crosscut one end of the scales to be square. In this case, I'm going to use a bandsaw. Clamp the knife hardware to the scales and drill 1/4-inch holes for the pins. I place a scrap under the scales to prevent tear as the drill bit exits the scales. Insert the pins through the knife handle and into the scales, preventing anything from shifting while I trace the profile of the knife handle. Next, cut out the handle shape, cut slightly outside the layout line. Now separate the scales and dry fit all the pieces together. If everything fits well, mix up some 2-part epoxy to assemble the handle with the scales. Apply the epoxy to the inside of the scales and the pins as you assemble the handle. Clamp the scales to the knife handle and allow time for the epoxy to cure. Now that we've had time for the epoxy to cure, it's time to shape the scales and bring this knife to life. If the pins stand out more than 1/16 of an inch, trim the pins back with a hacksaw. Use power sanders, rasps, or files to shape the scales. Once the rough shaping is done, start sanding the handles with 100 grit sandpaper and work up through the grits all the way to 320. Finally, this handle is ready for finish. I'm applying a few coats of a light oil finish. And there you have it, a beautiful, custom, high-quality chef's knife. And the fun part about this project is you can use a wide range of materials for the scales to make it truly custom to you. It's a fun project and it's a great gift to give.